It all began in biblical times. The Timnah Valley preserved rare beauty with special historical significance. Fragments from the past tell the fascinating story of the prehistorical development of industry and human culture. These are the remains of one of the earliest excavated copper mines in the world. It was believed that most of the copper mining and smelting activity was done in the 10th century BCE, during the reign of King Solomon. The Timnah Valley is located on the western boundaries of the southern Arava, approximately 30 kilometers north of the Israel Red Sea resort city, Eilat. The valley is bordered by steep cliffs and covers an area of 60 square kilometers. Our tour began in the area of exploration, 51,000 hectares in the southern part of the Negev. Conducting geological and geophysical surveys, an aeromagnetic survey was conducted, and the magnetic anomalies show a potential area 5 times bigger than Timnah. A prospecting license and certificate of discovery granted by the government of Israel in 20,051,264 hectares in the Timnah Valley to conduct drillings, excavations, and operating a pilot plant. More than 8,000 meters of drillings have been done in the past year to define the potential reserves areas. Ore body is a copper and manganese mineralization hosted on Precambrian age. Timnah's existing geological reserves, 60 million tons, potential reserves 20 million tons of ore estimated at an average copper grade of 1.2%. Timnah Copper Mine's mining operation was terminated in 1982. Water has accumulated in the underground tunnels. 22 years of operation sink under the water, telling the stories of the past. More than 1,600,000 cubic meters have been dewatered in 6 months through the 275-meter shaft at a depth of 250 meters at a flow capacity of approximately 300 cubic meters per hour, leaving the 37 kilometers of underground tunnels as a wreck. Roof and wall collapses. Massive cleaning and mine preparation has been done. One of the basic components of any substantial development project is the human safety and environment. More than 70 people are working today in Arava mines. Studying the ore body of Timnah, preparing the ore for chemical analysis, analyzing the percentage of copper, iron, and manganese, calculating the ore grade and reserves, selecting the best operation criteria for the heap leach pilot, simulating copper recovery and acid consumption in the leach columns, studying the behavior of ore deposition, stability, percolation, rock desegregation, copper recovery, and neutralizing in a small scale of heap leach to ensure quality of chemical sent to the electrowinning process. 99.99% pure copper cathode. For the first time in Israel, AHAMSA Steel Israel, through her subsidiary Arava Mines, will build a 40 million ton plant producing a 99.999% pure copper, a significant impact on the local economy.